All right, here we go. You know the deal, right? I'm gonna sand this cabinet and start painting it.
I've got a long, long way to go. I'm a traveler in time, lost in my soul. I took a shine to the drink and the smoke.
Okay, let's clear our cabinet. I'm gonna go 60-40, so 60% gloss, 40% matte, and I'm gonna put 3 coats on there, and that should be it. I'm not gonna worry about any hard lines as long as they're not super hard. I don't see a lot there that's really worth chasing an extra slick paint job over the art package. So I'll go over this matte clear real quick. I'm gonna mix it in a big cup, but it doesn't have the numbers I like, so I'll go over it here. So 60-40 would be pretty easy. 400 milliliters of matte clear, and then I'll dump it, and then I'll go 600 milliliters of gloss. This is our matting agent. It's really yellow looking. So there's 400 milliliters of that. With our straight clear. So we want 600 milliliters of that, and that's what gives us our 60-40 split.
Did you see the stylish kids in the riot, shoveled up like monks, set the night on fire, wombles bleed, truncheons and shields? You know I cherish you, my love. But there's a rumor spread nasty disease around town. You cut on the houses with your trousers down, a head rush, and in the bush. You know I cherish you, my love. Oh, I cherish you, my love. Tell me what can you want, now you've got it all. I've seen is obscene, time will strip it away. A year and a day, I'll build bones knows what I really know. It's eating, it's chewing me up. It's not right for young lungs to be coughing up blood. And it's all in my hands, and it's all up the walls. Saw the stale chips are up and the hope stakes are down. It's all these ignorant faces that bring this town down in the side and sunken with pride. But I pass myself down on my knees. Yes, I pass myself down on my knees. Now tell me what can you want? Now you've got it all. All the scene is obscene, time will strip it away. A year and a day, and Bill Bones knows what I mean. There's fewer, more distressing sights than that of an Englishman in a baseball cap and will die in the class we were born. Well, that's a class of our own, my love. A class of our own, my love. Shoveled up like mugs at the night on fire, wombles bleed, truncheons and shields. You know I cherish you, my love. Yeah, I cherish you, my love.
Alright, there it is. It's dried overnight. I went straight to the matte clear because I could already tell this thing was falling right together as far as the paint job goes. I don't mind fighting them if they fight me, but this one didn't fight me, so I could see it was good. So just put the final clear on there, and it looks nice. The only real enhancement that I did was painting the neck blue, and it just always looks a lot better to me if I can pick that darkest shade that they're gonna have on the cabinet and paint the neck that color. It just flows better than always having that blacked out neck. I understand why they do it. You know, they do it to kind of hide the neck or it shadows it, but you know, it doesn't always make a lot of sense. So all the color stacks are minimal, nothing, no real sharp edges. It flows. I mean, I can feel the edge. The only way I can make it where I don't feel the edge is if I sand it and clear it again. But it's just, there's no reason to do that to this. It looks too good. It's too appropriate for what it is. The gloss level's fine. There's no other issues, so it's just no reason to do it for that only. Colors wrap around the corners well. That took a little bit of extra work. I didn't go over it too much in the video, but you probably saw it. Just, you know, the stencils run a little bit short and you have to make up the difference. And so I've done that. And you don't want to make that difference up with just straight lines. You want to be artistic about it. You know, you want to finish them. But there it is. It looks good. I'll get that lower unmasked and we'll get it down there for assembly. The head, that thing turned out great. It was so rough. But it's nice and straight, and that can give you a little better indication of the gloss level. It is a matte clear. It's not glossy, but it does have a sheen to it. As you would expect, you want it to have some kind of sheen to it. You can probably get a pretty good appreciation for it there. Like I said, not full gloss, but not dull either. Just somewhere in the middle. All right, there it is. Looks good. I don't see any real issues with it at all. And we'll get it untaped. We'll start putting it together.